This magical little spot treatment is our best seller. It was created to help people stop using the wrong treatments on their skin and making the acne worse. So we all love that feeling of drying out a spot, but often when treatments are having that effect, it usually means that they're drying your skin out, which can trap bacteria under the skin, make acne worse, and cause scarring. So we created this overnight spot treatment that gives you all the satisfaction of drying up a spot, but in a gentle skin healing way. So it's a cream paste hybrid that you're going to apply directly to your spots before you go to bed. So you don't need loads, you just need to apply it so it conceals the affected area. You can apply it to individual blemishes, or you can apply it over wider areas of breakouts. Safe to use every night, but just restrict the application to areas of congestion or breakouts. So after 5 to 10 minutes, that will dry down and form a barrier over your spots. That means you can go to sleep and nothing will come off on your pillowcase. And then when you wake up in the morning, you just wash it off. And the paste will have worked overnight to reduce all your blemishes. This paste is just loaded with amazing actives. You've got calming ingredients like zinc and Mexican agastaki extract that's going to reduce inflammation and redness. You've got oil-absorbing ingredients like salicylic acid and kaolin clay that's going to draw out impurities and unblock pores. You've got brightening ingredients like bakuchiol that's going to reduce and prevent scarring. It is suitable for absolutely every skin type. So if you're looking for an overnight spot treatment that's going to be really gentle yet effective, this is our blemish repair paste.